private jet, golden skies and no regrets. Sip my coffee, taste the breeze. A million dreams across the seas. Every mile, every side, life's a canvas painted bright. Around the world, around my soul. Every treasure makes me whole. From Paris lights to Bali sand, paradise lies in my hand. Cruising yachts on sapphire tides, endless sunset, time just slides. Diamonds glint, the stars agree. Wealthy moments set me free. Every mile, every side, life's a canvas painted bright. Around the world, around my soul. Every treasure makes me whole. From Paris lights to Bali sand, paradise lies in my hands. Sunrise on a private jet, golden skies and no regrets. Sip my coffee, taste the breeze. A million dreams across the seas. Yeah. Every mile, every side, life's a canvas painted bright. Around the world, around my soul. Every treasure makes me whole. From Paris lights to Bali sand, paradise lies in my hands. Cruising yachts on sapphire tides, endless sunsets, time just slides. Diamonds glint, the stars agree. Wealthy moments setting me free. Every mile, every side, life's a canvas painted bright. Around the world, around my soul. Every treasure makes me whole. From Paris lights to Bali sand, paradise lies in my hands. Palm trees sway slow like a lazy dance. Golden sands, no shoes, just the ocean's glance. Sip of something sweet, breeze kissing my hand. Around the world dreaming, no end in sight. Paradise is calling under soft moonlight. Wealth of time, wealth of stars, wealth of life tonight. cuts through a painted sky. Cities glow below like fireflies passing by. The world feels small when you're flying this high. Every skyline whispers my name. Every sunrise feels just the same. Around the world dreaming, no end in sight. Paradise is calling under soft moonlight. Wealth of time, wealth of stars, wealth of life tonight. Diamonds on water, glitter like rain. Everywhere I wander, I leave no chain. Freedom tastes better with champagne.
Footprints fade in the amber sand. A paper plane drifts from my hand. Wave some secrets to the shore. The world is quiet, but it wants more.
Glass of gold, the sun's last sip. Feel the warmth on every lip.
Golden horizon where time stands still. Let the breeze carry what it will. Golden horizon, no need to try. Let the sky pay your goodbye.
A slow dance of palms against the sky. Stars wake up as the clouds roll by. Salt in the air, whispers soft. Echoes climb where the cliffs are lost.
Two voices, one tight, yours and mine collide. Shadows stretch, they hold their breath.